Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete a NASDAQ account on PC. When you delete your NASDAQ account, you won't be able to see all your data related to your stock that has been stored on your account. So to delete your NASDAQ account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.nasdaq.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to the official website of NASDAQ. Now here you need to first log into your account by clicking on profile icon on top right corner. After you do so, now click on the profile icon again on the top right corner and click on account preferences at first. With this, now here you can see your account details. Now scroll down, then here you can see delete account option on last. Click on delete account. Then here you'll be asked if you really want to delete your account. So again click on delete account option on the right side. With this, now you'll receive a confirmation request to cancel your account on your email address. So once open your mail and look for the email sent by NASDAQ. With this, click on the given mail. Now here click on delete your account option. After you delete your NASDAQ account, you will be able to permanently delete all the data related to your account. With this, now if I go back to my account details page and reload the page again, then here it will take me back to the login page. This shows that my account of NASDAQ has been deleted. This is how we can delete NASDAQ account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.